The film Bombay Talkies is one film encompassing 4 short films based upon short stories. So 4 stories have been filmed by 4 young and renowned directors of Bollywood on the eve of completion of 100 years of Indian cinema. This film Bombay Talkies have been dedicated to 100 years of Indian cinema. So reason is obvious that ethos and legacy of Indian cinema and Bollywood cinema will definitely be encompassing in it and revealing. The film remembers us from film company Bombay Talkies, founded by veteran actor and producer Himanshu Roy in 1934 in Malad, Mumbai. It had produced a series of films. As a company, Bombay Talkies had contributed a lot to Indian cinema. Bollywood's 4 directors Karan Johar, Diwakar Banerjee, Zoya Akhtar and Anurag Kashyap have made ample amount of effort to carry forward the legacy and ethos of Indian cinema and Bollywood. All the 4 films indirectly or directly deal with Indian cinema. Cinema has created passion for mass since the day of its inception, its silent era. So its journey has also produced a curiosity to know of it and remember its films, stars, artists, and that is the real tribute to Indian cinema at its 100 years. Indian cinema has been struggling with the lion's voice globally, and that is why a struggle of artists, technicians also charm the mass. All the 4 short films in a film say of a struggle, passion, romance, pain of the films and their people involved in them. Out of 4 directors, Anurag Kashyap has travelled Indian cinema's legacy, ethos, passion and all vividly along with Karan Johar. Karan Johar has raised the story of gay through the music and song of cinema. This film is touchy too. A young guy fights with his prehistoric valued father and leaves his house declaring that he is not an yonch but homosexual and finds a job in Bollywood gossip mill sort of company where this boy meets a married young woman whose husband doesn't have sex with her and she has doubt, and her doubt transforms into trust when her husband kisses the gay boy. Everything is over. Truth is bitter. When it survives on talking platform, it is fine with sense of intellectualism, but when it comes onto surface, things start crumbling. Karan Johar leaves the film at a point where husband Randeep Hooda of Rani Mukherjee starts loving his passion for music and sits on the overbridge to hear the melodious old song of cinema. The girl singer asks for money. Randeep Hooda says, "I don't have money, I don't lie." Karan Johar has set an experiment to make such a different film from his candy floss sort of film. Diwakar Banerjee has put Nawazuddin Siddiqui in a theatrical situation where he keeps escaping because of survival of family. He loves acting in theatre, but he searches for service. Accidentally he gets a job of acting and he does very well, and without taking money, he runs to narrate a new story of cinema, acting, and he does surprises his doll-like daughter about cinema. Nawazuddin is superb hero in this film as far as his acting prowess is concerned. Director Zoya Akhtar's short film revolves around revolt of a kid who is highly inspired and fascinated with Bollywood glistening star heroine Katrina Kaif, who looks an angel, a fairy for the kid who wants to be dancer. So he learns how to fulfill his dream, when to fulfill it and how to hide it up to a certain period. Kid fulfills his sister's dream to organize a hidden dance program from his parents. Zoya Akhtar's story is the story for those actors, actresses, technicians and the common people who are struggling to fulfill their dreams. Anurag Kashyap's short story is revolving around the love, passion, fascination of mass towards the cinema. The film is more of Bollywood type, but it shows love, passion and immense desire to interact with superstar generation after generation. Father says to his son to get a remaining bite of sweet called Murabba of Amitabh Bachchan, the big B of Indian cinema. Father narrates a real story of his late father, that his father's last desire was bizarre and amazing, and he went to Bombay to meet Dilip Kumar with a bottle of honey. His father's desire was that Dilip Kumar must insert his one finger into bottle of honey and he must leak his finger in his mouth. He did with his all life dying problems in Bombay, and he says to his son that his father lived for 6 years. But his son comes back to take a half bite of Amitabh Bachchan, but that bite was crushed under the shoe in a train. He presented the same bottle, but his father senses his lie, alleging that Morabba, quote unquote sweet, that Morabba cannot be kept in a bottle of pickle. Anurag Kashyap's short film in Bombay Talkies shows that mass loves stars, heroes and heroines of the cinema as their icons. Audiences are packed in theatre, mouth publicity works. This film must get 4 out of 5.